Running a company is tough. Meetings, deadlines, travel, and honestly, my health used to take the backseat. I noticed my hair and skin weren't keeping up with my lifestyle. I looked tired even when I wasn't.
Then I found Winthrox BIOTIN PLUS. It's not just biotin, it's packed with vitamin E, vitamin C, zinc, selenium.
बल्कि हर एक चीज जो I need in one tablet to support my hair, skin, or nails, and my daily energy.
Now I feel strong, confident, and ready for anything, whether it's running a company or crushing a workout.
Ladies, this is my little secret weapon. Biotin Plus, one tablet a day. Try it and thank me later.